All right, episode 8. Welcome. On this episode, we're continuing sensor sizes and field of view. This episode is going to be quick because we are getting specifically into what each field of view means to us as humans. 50 millimeters is ideally what a human sees. Now, obviously, I know with peripherals we can see a lot, but if you really get down to what you can focus in on at one time, and what is in focus in your eye, that is 50 millimeters. So anything outside of this ordinary is going to deliver a message. With that being said, our medium field of views, 45 to 75. Using these will be easiest to receive stories and messages as a human because that's what we naturally see. So what happens if we go outside of that? To display a message of large or hyperbolize the size of something, we want to go wider. So that is anything less than 45 into our wides and our ultra wides. Now, if we go any tighter, we are going to send a message of chaos and intensity and attention to details. That is going to be our telephoto or super telephoto, also known as our tight or super tight. Make sure you pay attention to this in your future productions. I told you that'd be quick. Let's go to episode 9, the last episode of Camera Basics. See you there.